Hey Travis, my name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, and you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So, as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that that is certainly something that we specialize in, and that's something you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips I'll give you and put them into action. The only thing I do ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was helpful. But we will get started. The three things we'll be going over are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is content, and I do have your Facebook page here, and Facebook is a very powerful tool. There's no doubt about that. But the first place that people are typically going to go when they're looking for services is going to be Google. And when they get their search results, they usually want to have a website to click on so they can learn more about your company and the services that you offer. So just in the interest of speaking about content, I did pull up one of the competitor sites here, and content is going to be considered anything you can see on the site. It includes the words, but also the pictures and what the pictures are saved as. And Google wants to see 1,500 words on the homepage of a website. But within those 1,500 words, that gives you the opportunity to be able to integrate in keywords that people are searching when they're looking for roofers. So my suggestion would be, if it's not something that's already in the works for you all, definitely get a website. That should be your first step, just because not only does it serve as a digital business card for you, but it really is the first step in getting ranked on Google. Between the content and then those keywords as well, that's really going to help you all a lot. So I'll go back to the search here and we'll move on to the next thing, which is citations. And this is usually the first thing you see when you're searching for services. This is called the map pack, and citations have a lot to do with that. So a citation is basically your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And when I say directory, I mean things like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yelp, Yellow Pages, really anywhere else that will allow a business to enter those details. But you would want to check out where your competition is being listed within those directories, and you want to grab those listings for your business. But then you want to double, triple, quadruple where you're found. So for instance, if your top competitor has 10 directory listings, you want to grab those 10 and then you want to add another 20, 30, 40. That's going to have you completely dominating them in that space, but it does also help you to rank high on the maps here. So the next thing is going to be backlinks, and backlinks have a lot to do with this section. This is called the organic section. And the way backlinks work is there is a website out there that has a link to your site, and it's pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to it. But not all backlinks are created equal. So let's say that you did some roofing for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided they're going to take a link from their site and push one back to yours. But their link is going to be all about ice cream, so it's not going to be very helpful. You would want to get links from other roofing companies that send a link back to your site, and it signals to Google that that is the industry that you're in. That's going to be a lot more powerful, but also more unique in Google's eyes because it is relevant to your industry. And this is one of the tools that I use just so I can give you a visual representation. And I did put that website that we just looked at in it, and it's showing currently they have 114 referring domains, which are giving them 986 backlinks, getting them found for 1.8 thousand keywords, and that's driving about 2.6 thousand people to their website just monthly. So let's see if we can check out the keywords that they are using here, just so I can give you an idea. And we're looking for buyer intent keywords. So what I mean by that is basically anything that anyone is going to think to actually type into the search bar. So since this is taking so long to load, an example would be where to get my roof fixed, Athens. So that's a little bit long, but people do type those kinds of things in when they're looking for services. So that would be a good one to use because it's listing the actual service or the industry they're looking for, and then it's listing the specific location that they're looking for it in. Another one, short, sweet, to the point, roofing, Georgia. That would be another great one. And you could even do Georgia roofing. Doesn't matter what order it's in. And I am so sorry that this is just taking so long. But as long as you're listing that service or industry and you're listing the specific location you want to target, and you can target whatever location you want as long as it's in, your service area or where you're willing to travel. That's going to help you to come up when people search those terms. And we want you, of course, to be the first one that pops up on Google. So I apologize that this was a bust, but I hope those examples I gave at least helped. And really, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places they are. But as we spoke about earlier too, always adding on to that way you're far surpassing your competitors. And that is the kind of thing that gets you on that first page of Google. But that is all that I have for you today, Travis. I do hope that this video was helpful. And if you would like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help grow your business via your online presence, please contact us. We would love to talk to you. But thanks again for your time, and you have a great rest of your day.